It's really interesting to me. I didn't even know this was here. This is part of the original wall to Maastricht, and it looks like they're working on it. Not quite sure what they're doing. I didn't even know this was here. It's pretty amazing. Wow. It's amazing. And it dates back to 1229. Look at that, folks. I've been to Maastricht so many times, and this is the first time I'm seeing this. It's just absolutely incredible. I love it. That's why I love this city. There's so much history. So many firsts. And it's just so amazing. I just love this. Man. I hope I'm not shaking the camera too much, but wow, I didn't even know this was here. What a lucky find to come over here and see this. Look at this. Just, oh my God, look at this. This is like walking back into history all of a sudden. This is all just, oh my God. I love this. What else is over here? Let's take a look. Let's find out. Oh man, this is amazing. I love it. I just love it. An original tower. I can't wait to read about this and learn more about it. This is so cool. And it goes in there. Oh, I love Maastricht. Wow, how lucky am I this morning? Just walking around the town, filming the town for you, and I make a new discovery that I've never seen before. How lucky is that? I did not even know this was here. How amazing is that? I am so lucky. Wow. I love history. I just love, if I've said it a million times, I'll say it another million times. I love visiting these places. And this, what's awesome about this, as you can tell, if you're here, this is just a regular old park in the town. It's not even built up as a tourist attraction. There's no booths, there's no nothing. It's just a quaint little park here in Maastricht. And then you have this historical site right here. How amazing is that? I mean, wow. Ah, sunrise. Here we are. Sun is peeking through the clouds. The day is waking up. Ah, perfect timing too. Oh my God, I am just so lucky. I did not know this was here. And just found it in time for sunrise. I am so lucky. Okay. Wow. I just love this. Just amazing. All right. This is so beautiful. I don't have much time left, so I'm just going to do this real quick. And then head over to the Just gonna go through here and see this little part of the river that no one else would ever see. Look at this. I am under the tree, and this tree has major branches is spreading and hiding this little location. And this ground is all moist. There are no footprints that I can see, so I'm the only one that's been down here in a while. Man, this is so cool. Have to be careful that I don't end up in the river. Wonder where that goes. Now, mind you, we're going to be visiting the caves later today. And I hope they're not flooded because there was a lot of rain here over the last week. But we'll be going there in a few hours. All right, so my wife's waiting for me back at the hotel to have breakfast. So I'm gonna head back over there. Oh my goodness, how lucky am I this morning? I know, I've said it several times, but I can't help it. Hey buddy, how you doing? You don't have to go nowhere. Okay, well, there you go. All right, so Joan's waiting for me, so I'm gonna head back. This is really amazing. Awesome. Absolutely awesome. Hope you enjoyed that. So here's another view of the bridge from the other side. This is an absolutely beautiful view. And I have to wonder, the original bridge that was here built by the Romans that collapsed, taking 400 souls with it when it went down into the water here. How wide that bridge must have been and how large the procession must have been coming across it. And for a bridge, and that just tells you how incredibly advanced and capable the Romans were to build a bridge out of wood that lasted 1,200 years, and it took a huge procession of what I assume is nearly 500 people to make it collapse. It was built out of wood. And even this bridge from the 13th century that took its place has had to be reinforced. And right here where I'm walking, this portion of the bridge was damaged, severely damaged during World War II. That section we just walked through, which is rebuilt right there. And a portion of this section as well, where they did an amazing job. You can barely tell at the end of it was also severely damaged. And they did a really good job of fixing that. So here we are. It's incredible.